This video will provide a brief overview of how to use the SafeSwipe application to check in visitors at Bridgewater State University locations. First, you will need to log into Argos to access the SafeSwipe application. You can access Argos directly via safeswipe.bridgew.edu. When accessing SafeSwipe, you will be prompted to enter a username and password, which you will find in your SafeSwipe documentation. This will bring you directly to the main SafeSwipe folder. From here, select the SafeSwipe check-in application for your appropriate office. This will bring you to the SafeSwipe check-in screen. When checking in a visitor, you can find their information by either swiping their Connect card if a card reader is available, or by entering their last name or banner ID. Please ensure that when swiping cards or typing banner IDs or last names, that you have placed your cursor in the appropriate text box for that information. Once you have entered and verified their information, you can select the person in the left text field and click on the Check-in button to check them in. Once checked in, a new record will be added to the right text field, marking their name and office, along with the date and time of their check-in. If the visitor is an outside guest to BSU and does not have a banner ID, you can check them in by entering the visitor's name, email address, and phone number into the visitor section. Once you've entered this information, click the check-in button to check them in. Once the visitor has been checked in, click Clear for Next Person to clear the current person's record and start again. This application is only available while on campus and connected to the BSU network. If you encounter any issues or have any questions pertaining to using this application, please email administrativesystems@bridgew.edu.